Once you've imported your video clips to the cast window, you add the digital video cast member to a score the same way you would add any other sprite. You would drag the digital video cast member to any sprite channel available in the score, or you can drag it directly on the stage, and notice it will take the first available score channel there. Let me drag this down and demonstrate how to drag it onto the score directly, like so. Notice that it by default sets up a sprite span of 30 frames, but you can change that in your preferences. Let me bring that back to 12 frames or so, and let me move up the score here so we can see the video. There are my two video clips. However, usually a better first step after importing a video clip into Director is to preview them using one of the video windows. Whether a digital video is a cast member or a sprite on the stage, you can preview it in its corresponding video window by double-clicking a digital video cast member either here on the stage. That will bring up, in this case, the QuickTime video window, or you can also double-click the video cast member here in the cast window, and that will also bring up the same video window. So there's the QuickTime video window. Here's the Windows Media video window. I also have on the stage here AVI file. So if I double click on this, it brings up the AVI video window. There's also a video window for real media video files. So the first thing you'll notice is that there are different versions of the video window that will appear for each type of imported video format: QuickTime, Windows Media. Also there's a DVD video window, Real Media, and AVI digital content. Each have their own type of video window. Notice that each video window has a tab here once it's open. So if you're working with the QuickTime video window, a video controller bar appears and lets you start, stop, rewind, or forward the movie. That'll be down here. Let me move this up a little bit so you can see that. Right there, there's the video controller. So let's go ahead and play this back a little bit. And I can scrub forward and rewind. With Real Media, you can use control buttons to start, stop, and rewind the movie. The DVD viewer window has root menu, title menu, pause, stop, play, fast reverse, and fast forward control buttons for previewing and interacting with DVD content. You'll notice that the AVI video window also has controls for playing back the video. Windows Media also has a scrub bar as well as a pause, stop, and play buttons.
What you're about to see now was a surprise for a little boy whose dad has been in Iraq.
Now, after you've placed your video clips on the score, let's go back to the score and stage here. You can use the Property Inspector to modify their properties. Notice that for the QuickTime, I have a QuickTime tab here in the Property Inspector. You may need to click it. The Sprite tab may be selected by default, so notice that there's a QuickTime tab here. And you can control the video or audio playback. Notice that if I uncheck the video disappears. Can also turn off the audio track. I can pause the video at start, loop it, can stream the video. The DTS is direct to stage, and I'll talk about that in the next movie. And you can also hide or show the video controls. You have some framing options as well. The crop option will crop the video if I resize it. The scale option will just scale it larger or smaller if I change the size of the video sprite there. Let me now move on to the next movie and review more techniques for controlling digital video sprites in the score.